Okay, so you said pain in the right side, right?
Yes.
Right in this area?
Yep.
From cleans. Yeah, it's a tough movement. It's a tough one here. So you can even feel, as I'm feeling both sides, you actually feel more inflammation and more increase in tone on this lower right paraspinal on the right. Would you say it's like on that bone there?
Yep. Right on the right.
Right on the right hand side, yep, right in there. Okay. Which helps create a little suction effect, forcing nutrients and fluids into the discs. Right in here. Take the sacrum here, decompress, the little drop, open up that lower disc. That area gets a lot of tension. It's pretty vulnerable when you're doing